Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI videos for YouTube using Chat GPT and pictory.ai. With these two powerful tools, you can create stunning videos and I will show you how you can add voiceovers to those videos as well with the third tool, that is morph.ai. Now first, let me show you the example of the channel. So this is the video that I'm talking about. This channel has use the exact same strategy. As you can see, they have used only stock footages, stock videos and voiceovers, and the channel is bright side and the video has got more than 12 million views, as you can see. So we will be using the same strategy to create the videos like this using only AI tools, and we'll create the video under 10 minutes. I will show you how you can create those videos using Chat GPT and Pictory. So to create a video, we need a script first. So to create a script first, we need a tool called Chat GPT. So let's jump into Chat GPT now. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. So I will ask ChatGPT to write the script for my video. So my keyword is how to get a flat stomach at home in 1 month. So first I will ask ChatGPT to act as a YouTube script writer. So I will ask it, can you please act as a YouTube script writer? So it has answered as, of course, what kind of YouTube video are you interested in creating? So now we'll ask it to write a script for a YouTube video. Then I have given instruction to it that I want you to write a YouTube video script for me, and the video is faceless and with stock videos. Then it says, sure, I can help you write a script for a faceless YouTube video that uses stock footages. What topic would you like the video to be about? Then I asked it to, so please, can you write script for the keyword how to get a flat stomach in 1 month at home? So it has started writing the script for me. Sure, here's a script for your video on this keyword. Then it has also suggested the stock footage that we can use for this scene. So it has suggested that opening shot of a person doing sit-ups, so we can use this stock video. And then the voiceover that we can give on this scene is if you are looking to get a flat stomach, and so on. And then second scene, it suggests the stock video that we can use is cut to a person preparing a healthy meal in the kitchen, and this is the voiceover it has suggested, and it has given me a number of scenes, as you can see. But this script was not that long enough, so I asked it that can you write each point in more detail to make the video longer than 10 minutes. So it says, sure, I can definitely expand each point to make the video longer than 10 minutes. So here is an updated script. So it has updated the script as well, and again it has suggested the stock videos that we can use for each scene, as you can see here. So now we have a longest script that we can use to create a video. So next thing that we are going to do is we can copy this script and paste into a tool called pictory.ai to create the videos. So I will copy this from here. So first I'll copy this and paste into a Word document or a WordPad document. Then later on we'll paste it into pictory.ai. So first let me show you the tool. So this is the Pictory and it has a free trial. If you want to sign up for free trial, you can go to the link in the description and sign up for its free trial. And then why I am suggesting this tool to use, because if you go to the pricing, its base plan is $19 per month, and it uses stock videos and footages from site called storyblocks. And let me show you the base plan of storyblocks, that is $15 per month itself, and the Pictory uses the footages and videos from storyblocks, and its base plan is only $19 per month. So you have to pay only $4 extra and it will do all the work for you. So after signing in, you will go to the dashboard that will look like this. So I will log in and I will show you how the dashboard will look like. So this is the dashboard. It has 4 different options. First is script to video, so we can create a video with the help of a script. Second is article to video, so you can paste any URL of any blog post or article here and it will create a video out of that. Third is edit videos using text, so you can edit your videos using text. And fourth is visual to video. You can upload your files or drag and drop your files from your computer, and it will create a stunning video out of that. But we are right now creating a video from script, so I will click on this proceed button, and then you can give your video a name from here. So the title that we have given to our video, I will paste that title here. So this was the title of our video, so I've given the name of this video. Then you can paste the script here, so I will copy that script and then paste here. So I pasted only 3 paragraphs for now to show you how Pictory works and how it will create videos for us. Now one thing I would recommend you, that you break these paragraphs into sentences. So I will break this paragraph into sentences now. So 3 sentences were there in the first paragraph. I've broken that into sentences. Now later on I will show you why I am breaking these paragraph into sentences. And then after breaking these into sentences, you can click on this proceed button. So before that, you can do the settings for the scene. For example, auto highlights the keywords, so it will highlight the keywords in the video, and auto visual sections, and create new scenes on both, for example, sentence break or line break. So I will select both for now, and then I will click on this proceed button, so it will start working for us and it will create a video. Before that, we have to choose a template out of these given templates to us from template library. So let's select any one of them. So for now I will select this one, let's say. So I will click on select. Then you have to select the aspect ratio for your video. So since we are creating the video for YouTube, so I will select this 16:9 and I will click on continue. So it will start working for us and create the video for us. As you can see, it has started working, preparing and analyzing the text and searching the visuals. So 60% is almost completed. Now let's wait it to complete. So as you can see, out of those 3 paragraphs, it has generated a video for us. So as you can see in the watermark, it shows the story blocks. So that means it has taken those videos and footages from story blocks. And don't worry about this watermark, this will be gone once you download the video. And the duration of this video is 1 minute 7 seconds, because I have taken only 3 paragraphs, if you know that. And the duration of this first scene is 5 seconds, and it has created a number of scenes for us. It has created 8 scenes for us. So to change any settings of any scene, you can select any scene. So before that, first preview this scene. So I will click on this preview button. So it will preview the scene for us. So as you can see, it has added this stock video and this text on this scene and added a background music as well. And if you want to change anything in the scene, so you can select this scene from here and you can go to visuals. If you don't like this background video, so you can select out of these stock videos any one of them if you like. So you can select that one. For example, I will select this one for now. So it will replace this video by this video that I have selected right now. So as you can see, it has replaced this. And if you don't like this text, you can select this text from here, and you can change the font from here if you want, and you can increase or decrease the font size from here. You can bold the text, and you can change all the settings and all the things in this text if you want. And inside this scene, if you want to add textures, you can go here and add textures. And if you want to upload your own file to replace this video with, so you can drag and drop that file here, video file or any picture, so that will be replaced by this video. And if you want to add elements, like you want to add stickers or gifs or emojis, you can do this from here as well. And if you don't like that music video sound, so you can go to audios and you can choose from 15,000 plus tracks available here. So you can replace that soundtrack as well. And if you want to add any text on this scene, you can go to text and add different text. For example, if you want to add a heading or subheading or body text, you can do it as well. And if you want to add your branding, you can go to branding and you can upload your own file to this, whether it is a visual or image or video file. you can upload, and that will be added as a branding on this scene. Now I'll go back to story, and if you want to edit any of the other scene, so you can go to that scene. For example, if I want to edit the second scene, so I will select this, and again, if you want to change anything, first the scene duration, you can change the scene duration as well. You can increase or decrease the scene duration from here, and you can apply to all scenes. So if you apply, click on this apply to all scenes, so all the scenes will be changed to 6 seconds duration. Now once you done with this, you can add a voiceover by clicking on this button, add voiceover. Then you will have two different options. First is upload voiceover, so you can upload your own voiceover, and second is record voiceover, so you can record your voiceover from here directly. So I will recommend you to upload a voiceover. So before that, we need a voiceover, so I will show you how you can create stunning voiceovers using another tool, that is morph.ai. So let's jump into morph.ai. So this is the dashboard of morph.ai. If you want to sign up for this tool, you can go to the link in the description and sign up for the free trial. Now if you click on this open studio after signing in or logging in, so you will go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, you to create a new project, click on this create project, and you can give this project any name. So I will just give a random name to it for now. And since we are creating voiceover and audio, so you can click on this audio, and you can click on this start blank button, and then click on this create project button. So it will start creating a new project for you. Now here you can enter your text, you can paste that script here so that it will change that script into audio file. So first let's go back to our script and copy and paste here. So I will paste that script here. Then it will give you three different options. First is split script by paragraph. So it will split your script by paragraph. Second is split the script by sentences. So I will select this one because we have splitted our script into sentences in the pictory as well. So I will select this option. Then I will click on paste script. So our script will be pasted. As you can see, all the 7 scenes are created here. Now if you want to preview any one of them, so you can click on this play button. So it will generate the audio for you, and if you click on this play button again, it will preview that audio to you.
If you're looking to get a flat stomach, you're not alone.
So as you can see, this voice sounds more like human, and if you want to change the voice or avatar, you can go to explore AI voices from here, and you can choose any one of them. And if you want to filter them, so you can go here and you can filter them. For example, if I want to select English from US and Canada, and if I want to select male only, and you can select the age group from here as well. So you can select any one of them. Let's preview this one. So by clicking on this button, you can preview this voice.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm one of the friendly and relatable American voices in Murph.
So as you can see, it sounds more like human. You can preview any other voice if you want. So let's preview this one.
We are innate, and we believe in breaking every unattainable.
So I will select this one, Nate, and then that voice will be selected for you, but I have not selected any sentence. So first I need to select the sentence. So I will select this one, and from here I will change that voice, and again I will filter this, and I will select this Nate. So this voice will be added to this sentence. As you can see, if I want to preview, I can click on this, so it will generate the audio in that voice for us. And if you click on this play button again, it will preview.
If you're looking to get a flat stomach, you're not alone.
So as you can see, you can change in each and every sentences if you want. So now once you are done with this, you can export this audio file from here, and then you can go to voice only because we need only voice file. So you can, or if you want the music as well, so you can select voice plus music. Then you can select format from here, then you can select the quality and channel as well. So if you click on this download button, that this file will be downloaded to your computer. And then after downloading, you can go back to pictory and then click here on add voiceover, go to first scene, then click on this voiceover and upload voiceover. So you can upload that file here by dragging and dropping, or you can upload from your computer, and then after uploading that file, this voiceover will be added to your video in Pictory, and your video is now ready to be downloaded. So you can download this video by clicking on this download button and going to video. Then this will start downloading for you. And once this video is downloaded, this is ready to be uploaded on any of the platform like YouTube or TikTok or any other platform if you want. And if you want to change the aspect ratio after editing all the things, you can go on the left hand side and go to format. So you can change the aspect ratio from here. As you can see, if you want to upload this video as a YouTube short, so you can select this 9:16 portrait mode. So as you can see, the aspect ratio will be changed, and you can upload this video to TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, and you can change the video resolution from here. So that's all from this video. If you have got any value out of this, you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to sign up for any of the tools that I have shown you, you can go to the links in the description and sign up for their free trials. Thank you and goodbye.